The biggest added value to your organization is not the data you add to Planon, but the analysis you extract from the system, which will enable you to make the right decisions based upon real data. Once live, your Planon system will contain a large amount of data, and this typically includes information about buildings, assets, rooms, contracts, and people. And these data volumes will increase further in the future with integration of smart meters, sensors, and communication to your building management system. The Planon Connect for Analytics tool will enable you to apply business intelligence or BI and analytics in a simple way across all Planon modules. This will allow you to deliver new insights, identify potential improvements, and provide the basis for sound decision making. Planon can connect with proven analytics tools like Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik. So how does the tool work? Well, firstly, on the screen, you can see your Planon database. And operational information from this database flows to your back office users who might be adding new contracts, or field engineers picking up work orders on their mobile device. When designing our solution, it was important we didn't interrupt this critical data flow. So we designed automated synchronization between the Planon database and the Planon data lake. This means no performance issues are felt by your operational team when running large-scale reports with many thousands of lines of data. Planon also includes a data connector that supports the OData protocol, or OData, and that is a standard format supported by all leading analytics tools. Planon has created a standard suite of Microsoft Power BI reports for each of our 5 solution sets. We're offering a free trial of our Connect for Analytics solution to all our clients, including access to this Microsoft Power BI library. So if I'm interested in seeing lease accountant reports, for example, I'm able to choose Planon's real estate solution. And this will immediately open up our solution and show me IFRS 16 or ASC 842 related reports. Notice on the left-hand side, these dashboards and Power BI reports are connected directly within the Planon user interface. Down at the bottom, it says 1 of 5. I'm able to tab and see further information about right of use, depreciation, and the credit journal entry. Alternatively, if I was a user within the integrated services team and responsible for the front of desk, I can see when I log into the application information relevant to my job profile. I can see the reduced capacity of visitors due to the current situation. And I know that 8 a.m. we have 3 visitors. I can click on any section of the dashboard to drill in to information about those visitors. Again, it says 1 of 5. I can tab along and I can see request information. And I can even see room and desk occupancy based on information gathered from sensors. So let's quickly look at the process for creating your own Power BI reports and how to connect them to Planon. So here we have Microsoft Power BI, the desktop version, and I choose Get Data, OData Feed, and put in your Planon URL and click OK. The first time you do this, it will ask you for your username and password. Once you add those details, you'll then have immediate access to all the Planon database tables. You select the tables that are relevant to you and the tables you'd like to include in the report, or you can filter at the top. In my example, I'm looking for the property business object and I choose load. It will now extract that information and all the rows of data from the property table and add it to Microsoft Power BI. Each of the fields within the property database table will be listed in alphabetical order on the left. And the first thing I'm going to do is choose my chart type. So I would like a clustered bar chart. I position it, I resize. And for my report, I'd like a chart that shows the gross area of each site in chronological order. So the first thing I need to do is search for the gross area field and add that to my value. Then I'd like to include the name of the property as my axis. And here we go. I right click and say show data. I'm then able to publish this information and link this published Power BI report within the Planon application. So what are the benefits of the solution? Well, the setup of the data lake and synchronization with your Planon database is fully automated and takes a matter of minutes. And you can use your existing analytics tools and your own analytics team to create your own reports. We, of course, have the Microsoft Power BI library as a starting point. And these reports can be embedded directly within the Planon user interface. If you're interested, please fill in the form on the Contact Us section of the Planon website or talk to your account manager and discover the things you didn't know.